Good morning. Happy Wednesday, hump day. Welcome to Quest Bites. I am your host, Corinne Cahill. As you can see, I've made my way to school in order to grab some pencils for today's lesson because we are going to be bending pencils, but not really. So I'll explain that. But first, we are going to play Spot the Quapple. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find it. There's actually 5 quapples in this picture for you to find. So let me know if you're able to find them. Let me know if you're watching this morning. I know this one might be a little difficult, but the education logo or the quapple is in the bottom left corner of your screen, the apple with the Quest Q in it, if you don't know what that is. About 10 seconds left for you to try and find them. Let me know if you find it. And here are the answers. 5 quapples hidden across all of the colored pencils. If you found them, great job. If you didn't, no worries. We'll play again tomorrow. Actually, no, we won't play tomorrow because we have a different game tomorrow. Not Spot the Quapple. It is something different, and you're going to like it. So you have to be here right at 9:30 so that you can get in on the fun and play this new game. So today, though, we are going to be bending pencils. So what do you need? Pencils, water, and a clear jar or glass. Good morning, Debbie. I see you're watching. So what is going to happen when we put all this together? Well, light travels in waves just like sound does. They surround you all the time, even when it's dark. You use those light waves to play video games with wireless controllers and change the channel with remote controls. Light waves are forms of moving energy made of tiny microscopic particles called photons. Normally, light travels from the air to your eyes, but sometimes it travels through other things. And when light travels through the water, it slows down and changes direction, and that is called refraction. As soon as the light waves reach the end of the water, they speed up again. So when you place objects inside of the water, what do you think they'll look like? Take a second to come up with some guesses. I will try to draw one up. Please don't make fun of me if I do it wrong. That's not a square. Let's just pretend it is. Neither is that. But do you think it's definitely not going to make this much of a difference, but do you think your object is going to show up that far away from each other? Or do you think they're going to overlap a bit? See, there we go. That's a square. Do you think they'll overlap like this? Let's try to do this one again. Do you think they'll be, oh, I almost got that one. Do you think they'll be on the opposite sides of the glass when you put them in the water? Well, let's try and see what is going to happen. So the image of the pencil appears broken because you're viewing it from the slower light waves in the water and the faster light waves through the air on the part of the pencil outside of the water. You can see that they look different from each other. And when you lay it down, it looks there's a lot of space in between, making the pencil appear broken. When you look at the part in the water, the light travels through the jar, through the water, and then out of the air. This causes that light to refract because it is hitting different densities of materials. That's why the image looks distorted like this. Like when you put your legs in the pool in the summer, they look a little weird. That's because of light refraction. So do you think the results will change if you use other liquids like syrup or oil or other objects in the water like pens or sticks? I put my finger in the water and it didn't look broken, but it did look kind of distorted and funky and a little bit bigger than my normal finger. Just like I said, when you get in the pool in the summer and your body parts look a little strange in there. I always thought that was fun, but that's because of light refraction. Pretty cool, right? Try and see what you can test out today in different liquids or water and let us know what your results look like. Send us some pictures. I hope you learned something today about light refraction. We'll put the instructions in the comments for you to try this lesson. Join us tomorrow because we have a very special guest joining us to talk with application engineer Brandon Adkins. It's Here from an Engineer, and it's going to be awesome at 9:30 tomorrow morning. These are also great lessons for adults because they have some great stories to tell, and I can't wait for this special guest. But until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.